Okay, okay, this is gonna be part 4. Basically, you can see I reinstalled the seats. Gotta clean them up a little bit, but the console's in there. What you can't see underneath the seats was all the wired looms. That might be you'll be able to find that in part 3. Basically, windshield's back in, dash is all back in, steering wheel's back on, and everything's kind of buttoned up. Should be ready for Thanksgiving at Glamis. But getting back to the Switch Pro, as mentioned previously, I think it was third part 3. You can't just come up and jump in here now and hit any of these buttons. Well, these will always, this dome light will always be available, because sometime when you hop in here, you're looking for stuff. The underglow, in case you're parked somewhere and you just want to be seen. The whip lights, also the stereo whenever as I get it. Once again, you see the underglow. The whip lights are up there. The underglow for the rear. But to use the panel, because when you set it up with a pin pad, which I'll go ahead and unlock right now. I'm gonna pan away again. So now when it lights up, you can hit ignition, and as you saw, all that comes on automatically because I configured the switch to do that. Then you hit that switch is a momentary switch, just for the start. It's only activated as long as you hold it in. The ignition will be on until you deselect it. So I think the rest of them are that way. Once again, this is the final test here to make sure everything works. Headlights. Amber. So there should be 3 ambers. They're SD lights in case anybody's interested. All 3 are SD lights, including that front light bar. Rear, the tail lights, you guys already know. And you saw when I deselected that, all of that stuff goes off too, because that one switch controls the instruments and the radios to come on automatically. The other stuff will stay on until you deselect it. So basically, you can just deselect it. And once all the lights are off on the panel, then everything's off. So you don't have to worry about accidentally leaving one of the switches on it without catching it. But in any case, it's what it is. It's all set up, ready for Glamis. If you got any questions, leave them in the description below and I'll try to answer them.